Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got something very special and very off the beaten path to share with you guys. This was sent to me by Exclusive Folders, which is a website you should check out. They have a couple of brands that you might be familiar with, but mostly the most interesting thing is they have multiple brands that very few people have heard of, and these brands are producing some absolutely amazing quality knives. I was confused by this initially, but this is the Infinite Charlie brand, which I have only experienced once before. Their aesthetic is quite different, and then their actual manufacturing execution is very, very good. They do seem to be, at least they themselves or whatever OEM they use, it does seem to be a standalone OEM. It doesn't feel quite like anything else that I've experienced. Sometimes there's little tiny, it's getting harder and harder, but sometimes there's little telltale signs, right, that you're working with Bastak, Riyadh, etc. But this Infinite Charlie brand, whoever is doing their OEM work seems to be kind of their own thing. Very cool stuff. I will link this down in the description. To my knowledge, it is still available. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and thanks to Aurora Blade / Exclusive Folders for sending this in. So, this is called the Lunar Eclipse, I believe. Jeez! Not everybody likes the pearl inlay. Not everybody likes it. This is an interesting, it's like little carbon fiber. It's not real carbon fiber, but it's like this little, it makes me think of the Beats pill, right? And then you have this foam insert in here. So this comes in a couple of different configurations. This also came with extra scales. I'm guessing they're titanium, but we'll look at them here in a second. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So let's take a look at this inlay work here, because something that should be pointed out is that pearl or oh, this is an integral. Ooh, I did not realize. Wow. Okay, hold on a second. Even if you don't like abalone, I'm not really sure how to say it. Even if you don't like it, it should be pointed out that this is a brittle material. If it is in fact real, which I assume it to be, that inlay work is unfathomable. Like, I'm going to tell you right now, I'm not somebody who's like, I got to have pearl in my knife. No, but I can respect this. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. So on top of that, look at this orange peel. You call it eggshell. The eggshell finish on the titanium, one of my favorite finishes on titanium. Almost a little bit of kind of a beach sparkle, if you will. Woo! Damascus pocket clip, very, very nice. Look at the pearl on the thumb stud. Oh my gosh. And do we have, how the heck, hold on a second. I got to know what's going on there. Okay, look at the little, the moon captive pivot. This is crazy. This is so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh, that sound. Oh, hold on a second. Let me wipe this blade off so people don't confuse that for... Let's listen to that again, guys. Oh. Oh, hold on. Let's listen. What? Whoa! Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Shh, shh, shh. It's still reverberating. That's crazy. That's crazy. Hold on. Let's try it left-handed. See if I can get... Trying to get my hands in different places. Pretty good, but it wasn't quite. That first one, though, was nuts. Can you hear that? What the heck? That's so cool. That might be the coolest sound if my mic is actually picking that up. It's very like... And it keeps on going. I don't know. I don't know if it's picking it up or not. That is wild, man. Absolutely wild. Let's get it over here. If you can hear that, try it over here. Oops. Well, you can't open it into your phone. Hold on. That is crazy. That's crazy. This is the type of stuff that gets me so lit up, man. So lit up. It's not even that the profile is that much different. And it's, I mean, like the main thing here that I'm a sucker for that eggshell finish. I'm a sucker for integrals. And even though I'm not a sucker for pearl, that inlay work is unquestionably amazing. And they have done it on both sides. Absolutely wild. Now, something else that I want to point out here. This is one piece. This is a separate piece. So these, and the reason I'm saying that is because you can see that the frame lock is underneath it. So this is a piece of titanium that is separate from the integral frame that has then been laid into the integral frame. That's crazy. That's crazy. This is so cool, man. Oh God, I hope they intend for me to keep this. Absolutely gorgeous. The action's very good. It gets a little tight down here, but not tight, but not like not smooth. Does that make sense? Very nice detent, perfect centering. Ooh. Ooh. Oh man, we got it to sing there. Hold on. Wild. Wild. I'm so fascinated by that. Oh, this whole upload is just me giggling. I'm sorry. We got extra scales here. This is not a review, by the way. If you're like, why isn't he like doing specs and telling us about the designer? Because I don't know. I have no idea. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Are these zirconium? These are zirconium. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, that's cool. Beautiful. I thought they were titanium. That unmistakable oil slick finish. That is zirconium. Also, they are fairly heavy for these little tiny pieces of material. But that's what these are. So here's a good look at how these connect into the frame. Let's have a look inside. There's the screw holes right there. So that I was worried that maybe the bottom half would be held in with adhesive. And on this side, I was like, oh, well, the pocket clip screw holds it in combination with the pivot. But there's also 2 additional screws. So, and you can see here, there's the hole for the pocket clip on this side. And then on this side, they go in here. And that's why you don't see the screws coming through to the top, because they're threaded directly into... Now, hold on a second. Are these actually threaded into the zirconium? These aren't separate pieces. I think so. I don't know. I would assume, like, zirconium's very strong. Very tough. I would assume zirconium threads would be fine. I don't think that it matters on something like this. This is truly exceptional. Here's the other thing. I don't know. Now I'm questioning if the price tag that I saw was accurate. Like, I imagine you're going to spend some more for the pearl, but like when I looked at the price tag, I was like, this is a sandwich construction knife. I don't know what we're going to find for the actual price tag of this. I have no idea. This is an incredibly nice knife. Obviously, very, very good execution here. So I have some things to learn. Infinite Charlie is a brand that I am not familiar with at all, but it is certainly a brand that I would like to study. That is just gorgeous. I have nothing else in my collection exactly like this. Nothing. Very cool. That is going to be it today, guys. Thank you so much to Exclusive Folders for sending this in. Please don't make me send it back, please. It's okay if you guys want it back. Like, don't let me pressure you. I'll just buy one. But Thank you for sending it in and allowing me to share it with everybody. I will do a full review on this. That's going to be it for today. Links in the description. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.